Give me guideline on how to prioritize and manage my workload. And boom! ChatGPT is a large language model chatbot developed by OpenAI. This video will guide you through the process of setting up account and utilizing ChatGPT effectively. For sign up, just go to the openai.com where you can find the different OpenAI tool on the OpenAI menu, and you can just go to the introducing ChatGPT research release on the top of the window, and here you can find the two options, login and sign up. So right now we are setting a brand new account, so just click on the sign up. After clicking on the sign up, you will get the two options. One is by using the email ID and one is by using your Google account. Right now I want to do with the Google account, but you are free to go with your email ID. For the sign up process, initially you have to set up the account. For this purpose, you have to authenticate your mobile number with OTP. And here we go. We are going to having the ChatGPT dashboard. And after login, you can see some of the ChatGPT onboarding card where ChatGPT tell you what they are serving and how they are serving. Just press on the next button, and then you are going to have the actual playground for the ChatGPT. Your history of chart and new charts lives here. You can turn on dark mode and light mode by using this button, and apart from this you can directly connect with the OpenAI Discord community by using same dashboard. This is your ChatGPT search bar where you can write any kind of question and you will get the answer immediately. By the way, this is Kishore Pawar. At our lab, we are consistently experimenting with new AI technology and pushing the boundary of what is possible. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced AI enthusiast, our channel is perfect place to learn more about this cutting edge field. So don't forget to subscribe OpenAI. Now I'm asking open-ended question to ChatGPT like give me a guideline on how to prioritize and manage my workload. ChatGPT is concisely giving the all points what you want to follow and how you are going to achieve your productive day. In previously, to find all these key point, it was not so easy, but by just giving the one search result you can find everything right now. Now we are going to ask the ChatGPT the nested question. Like first I am going to ask the question, and relatively that question I am going to ask again. So ChatGPT is remembering previous history and then ChatGPT gives answer. Here I am going to ask the ChatGPT how can we stop deforestation. Now next question I am going to ask to ChatGPT, can an individual stop this deforestation without typing the deforestation word? And here is the answer for that. My next question will be, can I collaborate with government? So remember, in this question I have not typed individual as well as deforestation, but still ChatGPT is able to remember what I have asked previously and able to iterate the answer based on the history. If you want any idea about how to ask a question to ChatGPT, then let me know in comment. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.